Hello everyone! So for me, Christmas is starting in October. Here I have 5 very easy to make boho Christmas trees ornament. First I'm gonna start with this wood disc that I have here, and I'm gonna paint only the center of the wood disc with this Americana gel stain in the color oak. Every time I brush some gel stain, I remove the excess of the gel stain with a paper towel because I don't want it to be too dark. Once I'm done painting only the center part of the disc, I have here a wood letter. In this case, I'm going to use the letter J, and then I'm going to paint it in black with some acrylic paint. Now I'm going to take a piece of rope. Here's a little trick. I always put tape on the edge of wherever I cut the string or the yarn. That way it's easier to insert the rope or the yarn through the hole and it won't fringe. Now I'm gonna start beading the wood beads. Here you can use whatever size of wood beads you like, and after I made it, I thought it would be a great idea to paint the beads also with the same gel stain that I painted the wood disc. So I used 7 wood beads on each side because I didn't want it to be too long. And then I got my wood letter that I painted in black, and I just put some hot glue and put it on the center of the wood disc. Now we're gonna start with the second ornament. This is going to be a tassel. I have here this plastic bin, the ones where the cookies come, and I have some wood cloth pins, and this is how I make my tassels. I'm gonna make the tassels with some jute rope. So let's start with ornament number 3. I'll be making a wood bead snowflake. I bought this wire metal snowflake shape at Amazon, and I also have this bag of different sizes of beads. I'll be using the smaller size, and I inserted around 9 wood beads on each end. The quantity of the depends on the size of the beads. After I finished inserting the wood beads, I did a little loop at the end. That way it would hold the beads in place. Now I took a piece of jute rope and I inserted it through the loop of one of the ends of the snowflake. And this one I'm going to be using to hang the ornament on the Christmas tree. I found this flower that I had from another project. What I'm going to do is I'm going to glue another bead on the center of the flower, and then I'm going to glue that flower to the center of the snowflake. Now let's do ornament number 4. I'll be doing a yarn tree. I cut a piece of cotton yarn 12 inches long and then I folded it in half, and then I did a knot towards the top, leaving a little loop. That loop I'll be using to hang the tree. Then I inserted a wood bead to give it a more boho look, and I cut pieces of yarn around 4 inches long and I folded in half, and then I did lark's head knot towards the left side and another one towards the right side. Once I reached to the bottom, I left a little tail and then I did a knot because that knot is going to hold all the strings that I attached in place. Then I started to fringe all the strings here. I started with my hands, but I ended up using a pet brush. I like the part where it has the metal brittles and it's easier to fringe them. Now I took some fabric stiffening spray and I sprayed the whole thing. I put a lot of it and then I let it dry. That way it will be stiff and it's easier to cut in the shape of a tree. Now here's ornament number 5. What I did is I used this 2.5 inch metal ring and I cut some of the same cotton yarn that I used for the tree, and I also did lark's head knot all around the metal ring. Then I took my pet brush and I started brushing the yarn to fringe the yarn. And after I did that, I took my fabric stiffening spray, the same that I used for the tree, and I sprayed the whole thing and let it dry. Well guys, hope you like this video. Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Be safe everyone.